Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a header and footer in Google Sheets so your printed documents and PDFs look professional with page numbers, titles, and dates. Let's get into it. First, enter the Print Settings menu. Unlike a text document, Google Sheets hides the header and footer options inside the print preview, as they are designed specifically for the layout of your pages. Click on File in the top menu, then select Print or simply press Ctrl-P on your keyboard. This will open the Print Settings sidebar on the right side of your screen. This is where you control how your data will look on the actual physical or digital page. Next, access headers and footers. Once you're in the print settings, you'll need to expand the specific menu for page annotations. In the right-hand sidebar, scroll down and click on the Headers and Footers section to expand it. You will see a list of common items like page numbers, workbook title, sheet name, and current date. Checking these will automatically place them in the default corners of your page. Lastly, customize with Edit Custom Fields. If you want to type your own specific text, like a company name or a confidential disclaimer, you'll need to use the Custom Editor. Click the Edit Custom Fields button at the bottom of the sidebar. The screen will change to a layout view with 3 boxes at the top, header, and 3 at the bottom, footer. Click into any box to type your own text or use the icons to insert dynamic elements like page X of Y. Once you're finished, click Confirm in the top right corner. And that's pretty much it. To add a header or footer in 2026, go to File, then Print, expand the Headers and Footers menu on the right, and use the Edit Custom Fields button to place your text exactly where you want it. Hit Next to save your settings, and you're ready to print. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.